How to delete apps from iCloud storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete apps from your iCloud storage, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to delete apps from your iCloud storage, maybe you have happened to backed up the applications on your iPhones of iCloud storage. So you can open up your settings app, tap your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen here, and then simply go to the option here known as iCloud. Now when you go to iCloud, whether or not you have turned on iCloud backup doesn't matter. If there are any sort of backup that you have made in the past, you'll find those backups over here where you can select a certain backup and delete the app. But if you don't see the app, here under apps using iCloud, you can see the show all button. So you can tap on the show all button here. And then over here, you'll be able to see different sort of apps that are actually using iCloud. So you can simply go ahead and then turn off these toggles to delete any sort of details that these apps have on your iCloud. Or you should be able to find the iCloud backups here, and then you can go ahead and then delete them if you'd like. This way you can delete iCloud backups from iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.